Let's talk about that most accurate forecast. Right now, 63 degrees. We are warming faster than we did yesterday. We're about 3 degrees warmer than where we were at this time yesterday. Still feeling some of those breezes out there. Those clouds becoming a little more partly cloudy as opposed to mostly cloudy, what we saw a few hours ago. But as we go into the afternoon, the high clouds stick around. We'll keep those breezes around for the next few hours, but I really think they're going to start to lighten up as we head into this afternoon, dropping below 10 miles an hour across the valley. And again, we're not seeing widespread breezes, just a few spots picking up those winds like Tempe and Buckeye, those winds right around 15 miles an hour. We are also feeling some winds to our south, and they're actually stronger across southeast Arizona. Southeast Arizona will continue to feel those gusty winds as we go through the afternoon. So if you are traveling down to Tucson or even southeast of Tucson, maybe you're heading out the door soon, know that you could encounter some pockets of blowing dust. So be on the lookout for that in the area in southeast Arizona. Again, here in the valley, our winds likely dropping in speed as we go into the afternoon and evening. Our temperatures, though, they're going to keep climbing. We're in the low 60s now. We'll likely be in the upper 60s by 1 p.m., hitting 68 degrees by then. That was yesterday's high temperature. Today, we're getting a little milder, up to 72 degrees for a high, and I think we'll hit that temperature around 3 to 4 o'clock. Then if you have evening plans, we'll be back in the upper 60s by 5 p.m. and down to 60 degrees by 9 o'clock before we dip down into the 50s. Overnight lows tonight will again dip down into the 40s. So our high temperatures will be a little milder, but our overnight temperatures almost as cold as what we had this morning. A high of 70 in Mesa today and in Queen Creek. Apache Junction, you'll only reach 69. Then tonight, dropping into those mid to upper 40s. You can see those overnight lows in the blue there. Across the West Valley, a similar setup, a little milder in Avondale, though, at 72 today for a high. 72 in Levine. Surprise, you'll top out at 71. And then those overnight temperatures dipping down into the mid to upper 40s. Across the state, a high of 63 in Sedona. It'll be 47 in Heber, 48 in Show Low. Tonight, back down into the 20s, even teens across that northeast pocket of our state, with lows in the 30s in spots like Sedona. That 7-day forecast shows that temperatures are going to keep trending up as we head into the weekend. So today, 72, tomorrow more sunshine and 75, and those low to mid 70s are in the forecast through the weekend. No signs of rain, at least not through the next 7 days.